In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make an automatic photo carousel in Figma using community templates. To get started, open Figma and navigate to the Templates and Tools section. In the search bar, type carousel and browse the available templates. Once you find a carousel template you like, open it in Figma and review how it's structured. Next, copy the carousel and paste it into your own Figma project. After that, replace the placeholder images with your own photos. Simply select each image container and use the replace image option or drag your images directly into the frames. Once your images are in place, position the carousel where you want it in your design. If needed, place everything inside a frame to keep your project organized. Finally, click the Present button to preview the carousel and make sure the automatic transitions and images display correctly. And that's it! You've successfully created an automatic photo carousel in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.